Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you the quick and simple process of changing the pen holder of a Cricut Maker. The Cricut Maker is very useful for many different projects, in part due to its double tool holders. So you have the main holder, the blade holder or clamp B on the right, and the additional pen holder or clamp A on the left side. This holder is made of plastic and has 3 little hooks on the end to help hold the pen or any stylus tool securely. Recently I somehow managed to break my own pen holder. I simply wasn't paying enough attention apparently, and I managed to push the scoring stylus into the clamp lopsided and with too much force, and that caused it to break one of the hooks on the end. At first I hoped it wouldn't be the end of the holder, and it still worked okay the first time, but by the second time it just wouldn't work properly anymore. Whenever the stylus was supposed to score the paper, it would just move back up because the clamp couldn't really hold it securely anymore. After that I simply ordered a replacement, and a few days later I am now ready to replace it. Where I'm from, the holder cost me €5.70. To take the broken holder out, you need to first open the clamp and then push the holder from the bottom with your fingers. You have to be careful to push it straight up, and it might take a bit more force than you might expect, but it comes out quite simply. Then you just take the replacement and push it into the holder. And that's it! The Cricut machine is now ready to get back to work. So, I'll see you soon with a fun new project that I'm working on. Until next time, stay creative!